Okay, if you've ever broken your rear derailleur hanger, you know it's kind of a ride ender. So Super B has made this handy little emergency derailleur hanger. Let me show you how to install it. And this is for QR systems. First, you need to remove your rear derailleur. You need to detach it from the broken or damaged hanger. Like so. Next, we need to remove this. And you can go ahead and get rid of this spring as well. Next, grab your emergency derailleur hanger and make sure to orient it in the right direction. Just screw it on in there. And then you're going to set it to basically match the old rear derailleur hanger. Tighten it up a little bit, and then go ahead and tighten your QR. Okay, so now that's firmly held in place. Great. Then what you're going to want to do is then again reattach your rear derailleur carefully. Okay. And screw it on in there. A couple things to take note. When returning after installing this, you want to keep the chain in the middle of the cassette. It's going to move your whole chain line over, and so it might cause trouble, so just leave it in the middle of the cassette. And also, it is not designed to be shifted. Keep it in a nice medium gear and just get on home.